You know, when you first see this house, you might think, ye gads, this thing is blue. But you know what? That's just a little paint. We're going to step inside and see why you never judge a book by its cover when you look at what's been done to the inside of this home. Hi folks, Tom Mason with West USA Realty back here. Yes, I'm running an open house at this property. Now this house is actually being painted while we speak, and at the end I'm going to show you the new paint job both inside and out. Today we're at 10510 West Camden Avenue in Sun City, Arizona. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home listed with a whopping 2,086 square feet inside and a lot of over 9,300 square feet outside. Built in 1964, this Del Webb home has stood the test of time, while it's also been updated for the 2020s. Unlike today's new builds, a lot of over 9,300 square feet was pretty common at the time it was built. So let's take a look inside. I'm set up for the open house on a home presented by Monica Solis, also of West USA Realty. Neutral paint inside and plank flooring from 2017 are protected by a new 2026 roof. The HVAC system is 2018, so it still has a few years of life left. To the right are the living quarters, but first, let's take a look at the kitchen. See granite countertops, shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances all the way through. All of these are upgraded cabinets with soft close on top and on the bottom. This is a family sitting area that leads out to the Arizona room. There are 3 entrances to that Arizona room, and then the Arizona room goes back out into the patio. Again, modern neutral paint throughout, plank flooring, and in the back you have a little green belt. Also, there are mature fruit trees for this home. Now, unlike many homes in Sun City, the laundry is actually on the inside. That's right, in Sun City, you'll often find laundry on the outside. A good-sized pantry for those Costco visits, and then we're going to move our way through to the living quarters. Here we have guest quarters to the right. This one is currently empty. This is the bathroom that's shared by the guests. It's a full bath. Again, granite, nice warm cabinets, and then here is the other guest quarters. This one has a walk-in closet also, so it's almost like a second master, though there's no ensuite. Now we'll make our way into the primary, the master bedroom. Del Webb vanity comes with a lot of Del Webbs for preparation in the morning, and then inside we do have a 3-quarter bath. Matches the other bathroom with granite, again, wood cabinets, and this nice roll-in or walk-in shower. Grab bars are a necessity out here in the 55 and over communities. And here is the primary bedroom. Good space, again, looks out over the green in the back. And you also have access to the Arizona room through this doorway. We're going to head back out and actually take a look at that Arizona room and the lot itself. This is not climate controlled, so even though it was warm today, it was cool inside here. It's shadowed and it's butted up against the home itself, so it doesn't really get too warm, at least the day I was here. But if you want to step outside for 8 months out of the year in Arizona, now at the end I'm going to show you some pictures where these planters on both sides of the home have actually been filled in. There is the mature fruit tree. We have limes growing there. Another planter off to the left as you exit out onto the patio, and then the side of the home. So this is the way the house looked when I did the open house, but I promised you that I'd show you the new pictures, and here they are. Here's the back patio, and then with it staged, see, it's a beautiful place to sit out in the back and relax. Again, with its own mature fruit trees. Inside the master bedroom, you have the vanity. It's been painted throughout. Again, everything has been just spick and span, shiny. Kitchen's been repainted as well. Beautiful place. Pantry is also cleaned out and ready for your use. And this is the outside. No more blue. And remember, this house is less than $300,000. 3 bedrooms, and it's in Sun City, so you get all the amenities. The 8 recreation centers, the 8 golf courses, pools. You even have lakes to go out and take boats out for a ride. So if you're interested, leave a comment below or reach out to us at West USA Realty. Relax and retire in style.